So for the application, actually at first you find it a little bit difficult to cut the strips. This is Donna, your Bisayang informant here in South Korea. Kada! Today's video is about OHORA DIY gel nail review. So here is our OHORA product. So this is actually a gel nail strip. So we're gonna try to use this one and have some review if it's really good or not. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So here the packaging is really good. It is made of plastic actually. And here is the product. So you actually have, okay, here you actually have 30 strips. You have 30 strips here. You can choose your, depending on your toe size. And then these are gel strips. Okay, can you see? And then it comes also with this kind of stick. You see, I think this is used to push the gel strips to your nail. And then we have as well this one, nail file. Looks so luxurious. Can you see? OHORA, Technological Art Lab for Nail. And another thing, for you to be able to do this nail, gel nail, you also need this one. This is a gel lamp. Okay, let's see what's inside.
It's not open. Ta-da! Also here.
So this is the lamp. Okay, let's open it. What is this, by the way? According to this one, OHORA Semi-Cultured Gel is a new form of gel nail strip that is made with 60% pre-cured liquid gel and has tender and flexible texture. Simply apply OHORA Semi-Cured Gel on your nails and don't forget to harden them with a UV LED gel lamp for shiny and glossy finish. Enjoy the new and easiest way of doing perfect gel nails. So this is this lamp is used to make it shiny and have a glossy finish. Yeah, so let's open it. Okay. So here, this is the lamp, and then you can turn it on. So here, this also includes a charger and a manual.
Here, on how are we gonna use the lamp? Okay, but I think I cannot turn it on for now, so I think I have to charge it using this one. Okay, I'm gonna update you later.
The price varies according to designs, from 12,800 to 16,800 won, depending on the designs.
So for the application, actually at first you find it a little bit difficult to cut the strips because it's very sticky, and when you try to cut it using the nail clipper, the gel attached to the nail clippers. And when it comes to the fit of the gel nail, actually it doesn't fit perfectly on my nail because, as you can see, I have pretty big nails. So I think this is more suitable for women who have small fingers and nails. But not bad. There are some some gaps on the side, but I think you can just cover it with other things, or actually it's not very noticeable. When it comes to appearance, yeah, sure, it really looks like the gel nail, and it has glossy finish, so you couldn't even tell that this is just a DIY gel nail. And what else? For the lamp, when you put it under the UV rays, it feels a bit warm, but actually it's tolerable and it's not uneasy at all, so it's okay. So when it comes to comfort, they feel very comfortable and pretty natural that I couldn't even tell that they are on. But actually I'm still wondering how much it will hold up, so probably on my next video I will do an update about how long it will last, and probably as well I will feature how to properly remove this gel nail. So see you then. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Annyeong!